A Very Noisy Christmas, written by Tim Thornborough, illustrated by Jennifer Davison. Are you ready? Let's take a look. It was a quiet, quiet night on the hillside. The shepherds and the sheep were sleeping. Then, suddenly... An angel! The shepherds were so scared. But wait, the angel was saying something. Shh! Let's listen carefully, the angel said. Don't be afraid. I bring you good news that will bring great joy to all people. God's rescuer has been born in Bethlehem. He is the King of the whole wide, wonderful world. You will find the baby wrapped snugly lying in a manger. Then, suddenly, the King has been born. Glory to God. Peace on earth. Thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of angels were praising God at the top of their voices. Then, suddenly... Shh! The angels went back to heaven and everything was quiet again. The shepherds hurried off to Bethlehem. And they found Jesus in a manger, just like the angels had told them. The shepherds wanted to tell everyone. Wake up, everybody! Something amazing has happened. Jesus, the rescuer, has been born! Meanwhile, in a land far, far away... Some wise men were studying special books and watching the stars. Then, suddenly... Wow! Look! What is it? A new star had appeared in the sky. They knew the star meant that a special king had been born. So they packed their bags and went on a long trip to see the new king. When they arrived, they found Jesus and gave him special gifts: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. They bowed down before him. They knew he was the king of the whole wide, wonderful world. Do you want to know something special? Jesus is God's Son and our rescuer. He is the king of the whole wide, wonderful world. Jesus came at the first Christmas so we can be friends with God forever. Now that's something worth singing and shouting about. Jesus is the King! Joy to the world! Hooray! I hope you enjoyed this book and have a Merry Christmas!